elimination round. The 7 teams are now down to 6. And in about 4 hours, the 6 will be trimmed down to 4 teams. The final cast for the Final 4. Ito po ang inyong Knockout Sunday Women's Quarterfinals. Unang laro po natin, Big D Santiago and Petron Blaze Spikers versus Superman Roses and the PLDT Home Evolution Power Attackers. Second game, Air HSS Flying Spikers versus Cagayan Valley Lady Rising Suns. Sa lahat po ng tagahanga ng larong volleyball, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Ito po ang inyong Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference Women's Quarterfinals. Ito po tayo sa Cuneta Acido sa may Pasay City. You're watching us live po sa Solar Sports. Chicky Reyes here, Denise Tan, kasama ko mamaya Carla Aguas para makakompleto ang aming trio. And Denise, unang bato ko sa iyo. It was a crazy elimination round. So crazy that on the last day, doon lang natin nalaman yung 6 teams na pumasok sa quarterfinals.
Tama, Chiki, no? As we all know, there are 7 teams. At yung top 4 teams natin actually had the same standing. They all had 4 wins and 2 losses. But the thing is, we have a point ratio system na pina-follow. So, yung Generica Army and RC Cola Air Force, sila na yung top 2. We have the other teams sa dulo. But the interesting part here, Chiki, is that yung Petron, as we all know, is on the 3rd spot. But if they happen to win their last game, nung that one was against Generica, and they lost in 3 straight. Yeah, before Cebu. Yes, before Cebu. If they won that game, and if they won their game in Cebu, number 1 sana sila ngayon, and wala na, hindi na magkakagulo yung standing natin. And another thing na makikita natin dito, Signal, who was a 2-time runner-up team, everyone expected them to go back and have their vengeance. Sila yung nalaglag ngayon, pero kung naipanalo din nila yung game nila against Petron in 3 or 4 sets, sila sana yung papasok at PLDT naman yung malalaglag.
So yun yung story. At yung mananalo mamaya yan, makakalaban, RC Cola, dun sa kabila naman na sinabi kong quarterfinals sa match, RH at Cagayan, mananalo dun. Ang makakalaban yung number 1, Generica Army. Ang bigat. So you're saying, up to the very last day or even the last few playing days, nag-iba sana ang team standings kung naiba yung mga naging resulta. Diba? Okay, ngayon puntahan natin, Denise, huling laro ng Petron. Sabi natin, July 9, last day of the elimination round, Petron showed that they have all the aces that they need to get the all-Filipino crown nung pinataob nila ang Signal HD Spikers.
Well, you know, Chiki, Dindin Santiago, who's playing for Petron, is the number 1 attacker, number 1 spiker of the league. So when we say hold all the aces, you have Dindin Santiago as the best scorer.
Okay.
You have Sandra De Los Santos, who is one of the best attackers.
Okay.
You have the best setter, who is Masangkay.
Okay.
So Jen Reyes is with them also. So talagang nasa kanila lahat yung factors for them to win this and go on top.
You mentioned 2 names, Santiago and De Los Santos. De Los Santos being the support. Look at these numbers. Nitong dalawang manlalarong binanggit mo in on cue. These guys indeed are 2 of the many aces na meron ng Petron.
Oh yes, you know, Dindin Santiago, we've criticized her over and over again for having, let's say, below 30 points of a score, but that is more than enough to carry her team. And with the support, of course, of Sandra De Los Santos, Masangkay, and everyone of the Petron Blazers, kayang-kaya talaga nila.
Mga kaibigan, about a month ago, huling laro naman ng PLDT, nagbigay sila ng unang panalo ng Signal. At sinasabi natin, it's a roller coaster ride for this PLDT Home Evolution Power Attackers. Bakit kamo? They have a 2-4 record, and although they did not put out all the stops in that game, kinakailangan from here on, partner, they have to put out all the stops in the quarterfinals for them to make it all the way to the finals.
Tama, Chiki, kasi nandito na tayo sa quarterfinals. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa eliminations, tapos na yun. And as you've said, they have to do it starting now. It's go all out or it's go home, diba? Literally, talagang uwi sila after this game kung hindi nila gagawin yung mga kailangan nilang gawin.
Ito naman yung si Superman, we always say.
Yes.
Superman is always there. But my question to you, Luan Latigay, maganda pinakita. Ito numero niya. How about the support for Superman? I'm missing the services of Batman.
Oh yes, you're talking about her. Yung heroes ng team, they have to work together. Superman and Batman. Luan Latigay, of course. Good numbers from both of them. Pero yun nga, there's something missing pa rin from PLDT. And what we would want to see now is kung kaya ba talaga nilang mailabas na yun ngayon.
So all the stops that they need,
Yes.
kumbaga kung may alas din sila, ilabas na rin. Ito, alam mo, Denise, meron tayong isang alas dito na kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi natin malalaman nangyayari sa courtside. Carla Aguas, what do you have there?
Thanks, guys. Well, this season has been a long and winding road, and though it may be over for some, for the others, it all comes down to this, the quarterfinals. Enjoying their seat at number 3, the Petron Blaze Spikers are very happy to have their team and their key players back on track. When I spoke to Coach George, he did say that he was happy that Dindin is back to her scoring points and that she's not phased by all the pressure that she may be receiving. Now, they also had to make a lot of changes with regards to their position in the team because Sandra De Los Santos actually got sick and was sick for 4 days. Now, going to PLDT's side, I spoke to Sue Rosas and she said that this game is all about giving your all. She focused on her offense and defense in order to help her team. And when I asked her for her mindset coming into this game, she had some pretty strong words. Do or die ito, wala nang bukas, all out na tayo. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Carla. All out indeed. And you mentioned it. From top of the coverage, this is win or go home. And if they go home, the next tournament will be in October.
Yes,
Ganong kahabang
yeah,
hintay
ganun
natin.
kahaba. Oo, kaya they have to do everything right now.
Again, folks, Petron Blaze Spikers versus the PLDT Homes Evolution Power Attackers Women's Quarterfinals. Everyone in high spirits. Let's listen into the call out.
Number 16, Dindin Santiago. Number 2, Joseme Cabanza. Number 13, Micah Morada. Team captain, number 3, Gretchen Ho. Number 4, Carmina Aganon.
Starting lineup
And
for the
middle,
Blaze Spikers
number
on your
12.
screens right now. Again, a strong unit for the Blaze Spikers. Of course, with George Pascua as the head coach. Now let's listen in on the call out for the starters for the Power Attackers.
Evolution Power Attackers. Starting with number 11, Luan Latigay. Number 1, Ruby De Leon. Number 14, Shadow Soriano. Number 9, Maru Banatikla. Number 3, and team captain, Sue Rosas.
It's De Leon, De Vanadera, Roses, Soriano, Latigay, Banatikla, and Antone for the Power Attackers. Of course, with the very dynamic, the very colorful Coach Roger Goreev. Are you surprised at the starting lineup for both squads, Denise?
Oh, no, definitely not. You know, for Petron, this is the lineup na talagang they've been using all throughout the season. And with Signal naman, headed by Coach Roger, mas kilala niyo yung mga players na yan. You have Sasa De Vanadera, you have Sue Roses, you have Ruby De Leon. Lahat yan, all played for him back in college also and for the past season.
So gaya na nasabi ng aking partner, mga kaibigan, this is win or go home. Ang mananalo nga po dito sa labang ito, ang makakatapat nila ang number 2 RC Cola Philippine Air Force sa ating isang quarterfinals match. Air Asia versus Cagayan, ang mananalo naman doon. Ang makakatapat nila ang numero 1 Generica Army. Here we go, set number 1 of the quarterfinals match. Yan na pong magsaserve from Petron. That's Masangkay. Here we go. And the first point goes to Petron.
Well, good timing there from Dindin Santiago.
Sabi nga nila, no, yung dalawang talo ng Petron, they probably saw the worst of Dindin Santiago. No?
And to think, I find it really funny that they call it the worst of Dindin Santiago, where in fact she was still putting out 15, 17 points. In the world of volleyball, 12 points is more than enough.
And you know why they call it her worst 2 games.
Oh, because she's the record holder. I think she scored 37
She
points.
scored 37. That's back-to-back 30 points.
It's crazy.
So because of that, mataas ang pressure, mataas ang expectations. And dito sa larong ito, so far, nakatingin lahat ng tao kay Big D. They're up 2-0. I stand corrected. It's 3-0 for Petron.
Well, again, another good block there from Maika Morada and Dinvin Santiago. You know, mahihirapan talaga dito yung PLDT because itong Petron, they are the top team in terms of blocking. If not the top team, but one of the best teams, the top teams in terms of blocking.
Still Masangkay ang nag-serve para po sa Petron Blaze Spikers. That's the first point for PLDT courtesy of Banatikla. That's Maru Banatikla going to the back. De Leon on deck to serve for PLDT. They're down. Big D defended well at the net. Ball still alive. Pero si Soriano, smart move at the net.
Great job from Char Soriano. You know, with this PLDT squad, I would expect the blocking department to fall on Sue Rose's shoulders.
Exactly.
Pero talagang si Char, being the veteran that she is stepping up and getting that point.
Sabi mo nga, you mentioned the importance of support.
Oh, yes.
The importance of not just the super friends or the heroes, but the people around them. 2-point lead here for Petron. Big D on deck to serve. That's 4 serving 2. Set number 1. At yan yung galaw ni Big D bago mag-serve. Ball still alive. They go to Superman. Soft touch. And was that four touches?
That ball did not go over the net.
Dito, no, sa ganitong quarterfinals, Denise, correct me if I'm wrong, hindi ka pwedeng diesel engine dito.
Oh, yes. Pag naunahan ka dito, you're in trouble. Kasi we're in the quarterfinals. These are, we all know these teams, these players, they've got what it takes. Hindi naman to question ng skills Pero kung sino ba yung unang mapapump up, sino yung mas magbibigay kagad ng full effort.
Alam mo, na-mention mo yan, nung unang nagtagpo itong Petron at PLDT, we went the distance. Okay? We went the distance with Petron winning that one. But the thing is, the PLDT Power Attackers, they got sets 1. They got rather sets 1 and 3.
So, salit-salit talaga.
Oo, pero kinayod Kinayod ng Petron yung 2, 4, and 5. So, it's some sort of payback time para sa PLDT, ano? 6 serving 3. Still the Blaze Spikers up. Let's see kung makakadikit dito ang PLDT. That was a quick one. Pero may sagot dito ang Petron. At the net, they give the point to PLDT.
Overset there from Maika Morada.
Banatikla on deck to serve. It's 4, serving 6. This is going to be interesting. Heading to our first technical timeout. Set number 1. Sino magdidictate ng tempo? And Gretchen Ho gives Petron their 7th point.
Ang ganda ng palo din ni Gretchen. And, you know, Gretchen has been resting for a while. She's rested for a while because of her shoulder injury. But it's really good that she's stepping up.
Para nakapagpahinga no? So, now is the best time para pumukpok. Latigay. Masangkay will set. They go to Big D. So on the other end, defended well at the net. At ang ganda ng pagkaka-defend niya ganon. Mga kaibigan, first technical timeout natin. Nakakuha ng 4 na puntos sa kalamangan ng Petron, 8-4. We'll be right back. Small reason to smile as Latigay scores again for PLDT.
Let's see if PLDT can maximize this rotation. This is one of their best rotations. Ruby De Leon being in front. And we all know na umaatake ito si Ruby De Leon.
Let's see it. Masangkay will set. Still a 3-point lead for Petron. Latigay going to the back.
That was a check ball.
Check ball, no?
Yes. Kitang-kita natin yun.
Alam mo, 8-6 ang ating score dito, Denise, lamang ng dalawang Petron. And while we are still far from that
Your team. Sa libero naman, the defense kasi should always be, I always say that, it should always be your first line of offense. You win games with offense, but you win championships with defense.
Okay. So, libero sa depensa, setters para naman sa opensa. At nakita natin nun si De Leon medyo kinapos ng konti in that set. Let's see if she'll do something good this time around. That was a good set for Sue, but they're still down by 4. De Leon will try again. Oh, that's a smart move at the net.
And that's what I'm talking about. I told you, Ruby De Leon, you gotta watch out for her.
And because of that smart move, kahit hindi siya nakascore, that set up Sasa de Manadera for that attack at the net.
And that will confuse, again, the defense of Petron. Dahil they have to adjust more. Magugulo na yung pattern nila.
Pero paano maguguluhin yon? That was a good dig. Latigay, defender at the net. Isa pa, na naigang tangkad ni Big D.
Well, if you have someone that tall and that long, medyo mahirap talaga. So, PLDT has to try and avoid setting the ball too near the net, I think.
Jump once, jump for the second time, and in both instances, the Big D was there at the net. And the smile says it all for Dindin Santiago. They're up 11 serving 7. That's a ganon. Serve para sa Petron. From the back. Banatikla, mababa pagkakapalo.
And a little confusion, I think, on the part of Banatikla and Latigay.
May timeout dito si Coach Roger. Tingnan natin anong kanilang pag-uusapan.
Hindi ka tumatakbo eh. Nahabol ni Sasa, naglalakad ka lang. Mas mauna ka pang makukuha sa kanya yun eh. Hindi tayo mahihirapan tayo. Puro error yan eh. Not over. Hindi tayo makakaano dyan. Service error. Depensahan ninyo. Si Gretchen, wala namang palong down the line yun. Sasa, nasaan ka? Habulin mo rito. Doon na kuya papano eh.
Denise, I liked what Coach Roger said. Sa error tayo nadadali. You're telling me this team is one of the best, if not the best, defensive team. But the Waterloo, are there errors?
Well, I think it all boils down to what Coach Roger said also. Yung habulin mo, wag kang tatakbo. Because as we all know, hard work beats talent if talent doesn't work hard.
I like what you mentioned. I like what you mentioned.
You have to exert in the effort. It's parang you're committing the error because you're not exerting the effort.
Ang sipag hindi natuturo, ano?
Exactly.
Nasa tao yan, nasa Latigay, yung kanyang kasipagan, rewarding PLDT with another point. However, they're still down in this set. Our score is 12-8, still a 4-point lead for the Blaze Spikers. On deck to serve is Luan Latigay. It's 8 serving 12. Masangkay will go to Big D. Oh, Big D finding an open spot.
Yes! And I love how Dindin Santiago is targeting the end line because may silip eh. If you look at Dindin, she will have this last second talagang silip and finding her target, knowing that Pantone wasn't at the right spot at the right time.
And the set was picture perfect.
Yes.
Coming from Masangkay.
Well, Masangkay, of course, is the #1 setter of the league right now.
So talagang hawak nila ang lahat ng alas. Tingnan natin if they will continue that here in set 1. Yun nga lang. You know, yung mga ganyan pagkakamali nangyayari kahit na sa pinakamahusay na setter at sa pinaka-top scorer.
And what I like about that, Chiki, nung pinocus natin si Dindin Santiago, she was like, okay lang. Because that's how you want the players to be. Okay lang, magkamali, bawi.
It's 9 serving 13. And the superheroes are inside the court at the same time, Denise.
Siyempre, pumasok na itong si Jella Benting. Let's see kung yung tandem nila nitong Superman will work.
You need the superheroes on a super game. Ayaw matalo.
And their superpowers.
Kailangan yan. Let's see, they're down by 3. Medyo malamig pa si Benting, Batman. Not yet that warm. So that gives a free point to the Petron Blaze Spikers. Big D on deck to serve. It's 14 serving 10. Ito yung kanyang signature move. Service is good. De Leon to Benting. And check ball. That would be a point for PLDT.
I love the fact that Ruby De Leon gave that set to Angela Benting kasi nagkamali siya kanina and it's time for her to get that point back. Boost ng confidence din.
Kumpiyansa, yan ang kinakailangan ng PLDT. They're down here by 3 points. And you mentioned top of the coverage. These power attackers, they're really good. They have a strong lineup, but it has been a roller coaster journey, a ride for them in the elimination round.
Well, may ups and downs naman talaga every team, but then again, yung katulad ng what happened in that last play, may konting confusion. Parang, I hate to say it na they're not working hard, pero may kulang talaga eh. And they have to figure it out as early as now what that missing factor is.
Well, they can do that in the second technical timeout. They're still down. Petron still up, 16-11. We'll be right back. Balik po tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome. Ang mga tagahanga ng Petron nandito na. Mga tagahanga din ng PLDT nandito na rin. At ito po inyong RTA. That's Reyes, Tan, and we'll turn you over to Carla Aguas.
Thanks, Chicky. Listening to Coach Roger in the huddle, he reminded his team to stay focused and, more importantly, focus on their positions on the floor. He told them to not all crowd in the front because it leaves the back open for easy points. He also reminded them that in order to stop the offense of Petron, they need to start defending. Now, before the game, Coach Roger told me that his team already know what to do when on the floor. But could this do-or-die game be too much for them? Back to you guys.
Yan ang mabigatin, Carla. We need your help. Whatever happens here in set number 1, tingnan mo yung demeanor ng players. Help us, demeanor ng players on both sides because we want to find out if they are indeed responding to their coaches.
Sure, Chicky, I'll do that.
Maraming salamat, Carla. Denise, nabanggit mo, may kulang sa PLDT. Hindi kaya yung pagkukumpul sa harap, yun yung isa sa mga maaaring maling ginagawa ng power attackers.
Well, isa yun, Chiki, kasi like what Coach Roger said nga, very specific yung instructions niya and it's very simple volleyball. We have the defense factor na hindi nasusunod ng PLDT and that's the reason also why he said they have to be more focused. They have to get themselves or their minds in the game.
I don't think offense is a problem. Sue Roses scored in that particular possession. But I guess you're right. I have to agree with you. Defense is the key. Let's see. Anong tawag ng linesman? Pumasok. And you were saying defense is the key.
Yes.
Pinag-usapan natin yan from liberos to the setters. The setters take the offense. Liberos, first line in defense. It's 18 serving 12. Morada nag-serve, but that was a service error for Micah.
So this is a chance for PLDT. Again, ayan na naman si Ruby De Leon. She's in front. Let's see kung kaya niya pa ulit gawin yung mga moves na ginawa niya kanina.
Kailangan mabuhay dito ng setter, yung offense rin nila, no? Again, medyo nahihirapan si Superman doon. That was probably one of her kryptonite for set number 1. PLDT humingi ng timeout. Pakinggan mo rin natin, Coach Roger. They're still down by 6.
Hindi po pwede gumalaw kayo. Pag pumwesto ka kasi sa depensa, hindi ka na gumagalaw. Makukuha mo lang yun, nandyan lahat. Nakalampas sa'yo eh. Di dapat nandito ka, di ba? O, ibig tinudukot, di ba? Usapan natin, huwag yung dudukutin. Ang tsaga nila maghahabol sa bola. Tayo hindi eh. Pag pinalo, nakatunga nga lahat, nakatitig lang. Hindi po pwede. Kailangan, kahit nandito ka, nandun yung bola, pwede mo nga punin yan.
Two things gusto ko tanong sa iyo. Of course, habulin. We all know that. Pero wag daw dukutin.
Hindi wallet yun. Coach Roger is talking about yung ang dukot kasi.
Yan.
Yun yung
1-on-1.
pag
Go.
hindi mo ginagalaw yung paa mo. So para ka lang dumudukot, hands lang yung magana.
You're not squared for the receive.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo.
Kasi
Nabibitin.
hinahabaan mo lang yung kamay mo. Okay. So nga naman, you have to move your legs, you have to move your feet. And that's a perfect example.
Yes, wala na namang gumalaw. And everyone just stared at that ball. And sa replay, makikita natin, there's like, 3 or 4 players standing in front of that ball.
So it's a 7-point lead here for Gretchen and the rest of the Blaze Spikers. My question to you, you've been in this situation Your mind wants to do one thing, but your body is not responding. I think that's what's happening right now to PLDT. How do you shake that off as a player, Denise?
Well, I think what I would do or what they should do right now is to not be too stiff first and foremost. Kasi lalong nagigigil, lalong nagkakamali. But then, buti na lang, doon sa last play na yon, medyo umayos yung pakiramdam nito ni Luan Latiga. And I think that's one thing that PLDT needs right now.
Will letting the game get to you instead of looking for your game be a good ploy, you think, for PLDT? In short, wag mong piliting, hintayin mong dumating sa laro o kinakailangan mong talagang hanapin at
I think kailangan mo siyang
kailangan hanapin.
Because it's a
I like
do-or-die
your point.
game.
I
It's a
like your
do-or-die
point.
game.
Kumbaga, walang next game to. And Dindin Santiago at the corner.
And again,
So look at that smile. That says a lot about the game of Lechon. And look at the blank expression on Benting. Yun naman ang laro na ipinapakita ng PLDT. But remember, this is just set 1. You need 3 sets to advance to the semifinals. Benting going to the back, and that's too much muscle behind the spike. They're not loose, They're not loose.
They're not. Tsaka, when you see them, when you look at their body language, ibang-iba sa pinapakita ng Petron. Petron, Dindin Santiago, you have Agaron, you have Jen Reyes, they're all smiling every time they score a point. But then with Signa, our PLDT, kahit nakascore na sila, blank stare. Wala kang makita parang happiness.
Yung ginagawa niyong huddle na nagtatakbuhan kayo sa gitna ng court after every point, I don't see that yet, that joyful feeling.
And it's supposed to be, that huddle is supposed to be encouraging for your teammates na parang you can just tap your teammate at the back. Good job. It's a big deal, lalo na if you're not performing that well.
The donut is too big on the side of PLDT. And that middle portion has been the favorite target, whether it be via deflection
Yes.
or via straight attack by Dindin.
Well, they really have to do something about that. Especially it's 23-15 right now. So, madami pang pwedeng nangyari, but we all know, maliit na lang yung chance ng PLDT ngayon. They have to really look at the second set and what they have to do.
Let's see how they will respond here. It's a long rally. And they steal 1 point, courtesy of Ferrer. Still a 7-point lead, a commanding 7-point lead for Petron.
16-23.
Moralde serving for PLDT. Going to the back again. And Micah scores again. This is set point already for the Petron Blaze Spikers.
Maganda dito kay Micah Morada. Even though she's not one of the top scorers in every game, she's always there. Pwede mo siyang maasahan mo siya. And if you give her the ball, most likely it will convert into a point.
The support, Yun
It
talaga.
will always boil down to the support of your teammates.
Oh, that's an ace for Santiago. And we end the first set with a score of 25-16, a 9-point win in set number 1 for the Petron Blaze Spikers. Ang ating pong second set right after this break. Convincing fashion, 25-16. And again, Denise, the numbers will not lie.
Oh yes, you can see in terms of offense and defense, napaka-importante ng defense part. Talagang nakaangat tong Petron, and that's why they won that first set easily.
Yun mo sa blocks, so courtesy of that smiling 6+. Si Big T leading the defense, leading the attack. But you mentioned people like Micah Morada, people like Jen Reyes, people like Mary Grace Masangkay. These guys are the other aces that if you put them together, that's probably a
Sobra-sobra na.
good hand.
Yes, sabihin ko kumbaga. Ano bang mga game yung
Pusoy,
Pusoy? Kumbaga sa
poker.
Pusoy.
You
Poker.
have a good hand to go all the way to the finals. But PLDT, we've been mentioning the power attackers, Denise. Materiales fuertes ito. Meron kang superheroes in Benting and Roses. You have Soriano. You have De Leon. Aba, hindi mo pwede itapon ng mga to.
You cannot just say na na talo sila, yan na yan. Because alam natin, like Luan Ladigay, Benting, De Leon, all of them has experienced yung mga championship games and being champions. As there you can see, yung sa setting, sa error natin, mas mataas yung sa Petron. But
Mas
then,
mataas pa, no?
Oo, mas mataas yung sa Petron. But then again, kasi nga yung defense, yung offense, and the support of the whole team is there.
And if you put, let's talk cooking here. An ingredient by itself may not taste good. But if mixed with others, it's a superb dish.
Kompleto Ricardo ang Petron.
Yan. At yan ang ginagawa ng Petron. Ang Ricardo ng PLDT, marami. But you were saying, since set 1, how do they mix it together? We haven't seen it yet.
Yun nga they have to figure out that missing factor. And that can start with, I think, the good communication because I am not seeing any right now. Siguro sa huddle, yes, that's a part that we can hear or we can see. Pero kailangan kasi that has to translate inside the court also.
Let's see if that will happen here in set 2. So far, so good for PLDT. Holding their fort. At maganda pinapakita. Mahabang ating rally. Benting. Oh, this is a long one here.
Oh, wow.
How do you stop?
Exactly. How do you stop a 6'2" player like Dindin Santiago? You have a good setter from Masangkay, a good set from Masangkay rather. And ang ganda ng timing. How could you stop that with a single block?
More often than not, she jumps high. But in that set,
Hindi kailangan
hindi kita mo, controlled yung talon niya. But still, hats off also to PLDT. Maganda yung timing nila. But then again, they have to do a little bit more to stop Dindin and the rest of the Blaze Spikers. So far in set 2, it's still Petron 3-1. Masangkay will still serve for Petron. They're up in set 2. Again, dun sa mga kabubukas na po ng inyong television, ito pong ating quarterfinals match. Petron versus PLDT. Ang mananalo po dito sa labang ito, ang kakalabanin ay RC Air Force. Buhay pa ang bola. Masangkay. Oh, smart move from Cabalsa. Pero maganda floor defense ng PLDT that time.
Great set from Masangkay. I love the fact na si Dindin Santiago na ngayon binabantayan. But then, she gave it to Cabalsa.
I think that was a ganon at the back.
Ganon.
Oo.
But, yeah, ang ganda kasi may variation, may confusion on the part. Also, we're both wrong. That was Morada.
Oo, napeke kami doon. That was
Bakit tayo
Micah Morada.
napeke?
Kasi sa angulo natin dito, it seemed that it went to a ganon. But then again, your point there was the back set.
Yes.
And that is one of the most difficult sets to do.
And the thing is, she tricked the blockers. Yun ang importante kapag you're a setter. Oo, to lead the blockers away from your spiker.
And Dindin was like a big magnet there, being followed to one side. 2-point lead here for Petron. He'll go back to Big D. At naging alay ni Big D ang net.
Sometimes it's better to be lucky pa.
Ay, may depensa eh.
Oo.
Pero nangyari, tumulay sa net. Pumasok pa rin. Pero yun, Denise, hindi mo napapractice yun. Yung ganun. I mean, buenas na lang yun, ano? Yung tumutulay sa net na yun.
Oh, yes.
Buenas na lang yun eh. Lady luck na lang yun eh. And there's something that PLDT can feed on, an error by Dindin.
Yeah. They have to take advantage of that. Lalo na nandito si Dindin sa likod. Yes, she does back attacks and all. But then, iba pa din kung nasa net siya eh. Kasi may blocking na nawawala. They have to really take advantage of this rotation.
Tingnan natin, nasa harap si Sue, Superman, kung sasamantalahin niya. That's Sue Roses. Meantime, free ball. De Leon to Sue. They'll try again. Back to Sue. At yun ang sinabi natin.
And that favorite play of Sue Roses ever since college days. Yan, favorite yan. And talagang nagagawan niya ng, nalulusot niya, rather, papalusot niya talaga sa net. Kahit anong klaseng set yan, pasok.
Parang takam na takam. Alam niya, nasa likod si
It's her
Dindin
bawi.
eh. Oo, dyan ka muna ha. Huwag kang gagalaw dyan. It's just a 1-point lead here for Petron. Oh,
Nice.
great hit by Morada.
Power hit.
Great hit by Morada, and you could see her smiling on her way down.
Dala yung buong recto. Bit-bit ang buong FEU. That's what we would joke about her when we were in our college days. Kapag pumalo siya, dala niya yung buong recto.
Buong eskwelahan.
Oo, sa palo niya.
Hala ko school lang. Sinama mo pati yung kalsada. Yung
Ang lakas eh.
6-4, 2-point lead for Pechon. Masangkay to Aganon. Oh, Pantone couldn't handle that. She was there, but Aganon's power was too much for Pantone. Wala, gumilid na si Pantone. So, 3-point lead here for Pechon. Mukhang deja po ito ng set 1. Let's see. Ball is good. Quick one there. And Devanadera making sure na hindi muna tayo mag-technical timeout.
Tsaka huwag munang paikutin si Dindin.
Stay in the back.
Sa likod, yeah.
Sue Roses on deck to serve. It's 5, serving 7. It's in. Quick one with Ho. Aganon will try again. That's a softie. It's good. As we go to our first technical timeout ng second set, lamang pa rin po ang Petron. 8-5. We'll be right back. Balik po tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City. Good crowd here for your Knockout Sunday. And on your screens, galing pong Italian. That's Gianni Cirillo, the data volley expert. PSL actually flew him in to teach our stats team the data volley system. Wow. So kita mo naman, lumilevel up talaga.
Bigatin.
Oo naman.
Bigatin tayo dito.
Kasi ito ang volleyball.
Oh, yeah.
Philippine Superliga, ito ang volleyball. So we, again, thank you for the platform, PSL. Thank you, sponsors. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, yung mga gustong bumalik ng volleyball, hindi makakabalik after college. So thank you very much. PLDT, they have a 2-point lead. Can they build it up? We'll see. Here we go. Oh, great dig from Reyes. Dindin from the back. At kumakatok muli ang Petron. This time, we'll turn you over to our courtside reporter, Carla. What do you have?
Thanks, Chicky. Well, earlier I was going to say that feeling at home may not be the best thing. A frustrated Coach Roger asked his power attackers why they kept doing more on the floor than they naturally would. He threw them a question which I think woke them up. He asked, masipag ba ang kalaban o tamad lang tayo? He wants his girls to start moving at wag umaasa sa errors ng Pechon. Now, when it comes to the demeanor of the players, which you guys wanted to know earlier, I can happily say that the power attackers are positive in this set. In fact, Ruby De Leon upped the team spirit by saying, kaya pa guys, sayang kaya natin ito. Maybe a dose of good vibes is just the kind of power PLDT needs. Back to you guys.
Ganda ng report mo, Carla. Maraming salamat. Tingnan mo yung score. Ito yung indicator, Denise and Carla. Kita mo, PLDT, they're up 18-17 and the body language is different.
Well, I think, Chiki, katulad ng sinabi ni Carla, nagising na nga itong PLDT.
Gumanong ka nung may sinabi siya eh. Tamad o masipag eh.
Oo, kasi I think there's a big difference sa natalo ka sa isang team, o yan, natalo sila sa Petron o nagpatalo sila
Okay.
sa Petron.
Ang
Ang
ganda
laki
yan.
ng diferensya eh.
Ang ganda
Because
yan.
it's something they're not doing, it's something that they're overthinking, pwedeng ganun eh.
And when you mentioned that, Sue Roses, that Superman on your screen is doing a down-the-line attack. And look at the scoreboard. It's 19-17 with PLDT having a 2-point lead. And on deck to serve is Luan Latigay. Chance here for PLDT to get a 3-point lead. Let's see. Masangkay. Oh, check ball. So that will be a point for Petron. So 18 serving 19. On deck to serve is Mina Ganon. Oh, he's going down the wire.
Oh, yes.
Itong set number 2.
Definitely.
De Leon. Smart move again, but Reyes was there. Santiago. Isa pa to the back. De Leon will set. Quick one. Oh, great floor defense. Cabalsa with a soft one. De Leon muli going to the back. And that's a point for PLDT courtesy of Luan Latigay.
I like that Luan Latigay is scoring from the back line kasi one thing about PLDT's rotation, minsan kinukulang sila kapag wala na si Luan sa harap. But of course, Luan Latigay, veteran player talaga, showing PLDT that she can help this team get back into this game.
Skwalado, no?
Oo.
Yung pagkakapalo niya doon. 2-point lead here for PLDT. Masangkay wanting to do a De Leon there. I would say a De Leon because De Leon's been doing that in this game. Pero it backfired, giving PLDT a 3-point lead. Tingnan naman natin ang huddle ngayon ni Coach George.
Okay, so, baguhin mo yun. Dito. Hanapin mo si Bintin. Kahit tres, ibigay mo sa kanya ng tres.
Hindi na po magra-running
Ay, hindi na kasi mas kailangan natin na pumunta. Kasi nandito naman si Sue, hindi na makakahabol yun. Kasi minsan, pag nabibigay natin running, namimiss it. So doon na lang, para nakaharap na lang siya. Okay? Tapos, Diyosa, anytime ready ka rito, ha? Ay, sa likod.
You know, we were looking at two things. Number one, we're listening to Coach George. Sabi niya, whatever happens, give to Dindin.
Yeah.
And what was Dindin's expression?
He was just,
And then, yung taas baba yung kilay, parang nakikipaglaro pa kay Masangkay.
well, that's what you want also. At least alam mo na relax siya and comfortable siya with her setter. And see, that's what happens if the setter and the spiker has this certain connection.
Sabi ni Coach, Masangkay, bigay mo kay Santiago.
Oo, pasimplehin na daw, gawin na ng tres, di ba? Wag
Anong
na yung
ginawa
mga
nila?
running.
Ayun.
Binaon.
Sabay tingin sa bench, and I saw Coach George just nodding his head.
Yeah.
19 serving 21. Ano kayang sagot ng PLDT? Yun ang sagot nila! Courtesy of Soriano.
Ang ganda ng play doon. I think Ruby De Leon should keep on doing those kinds of play dahil hindi na nga rin nakikita from PLDT. Look at this. Na-lead. Dindin Santiago didn't even jump. Diba? All of them were looking at Sue Roses.
That was fake in midair by De Leon. Kala nila lahat pupunta kay Sue, no? Let's see what Masangkay will do. Kay Morada napunta.
Oh, that didn't go over the net.
And the red ball beside me, umilaw na naman. Ibig sabihin si Coach George humingi ng timeout. Tingnan natin anong pag-uusapan nila.
Papasok natin ang bola sa kanila. So pag pinasok natin, mas maraming mangyayari. Hanapin mo yung percentage spiker mo. Hanapin mo na si Dindin. Okay, basta isip mo lang, bahala sila papatay mo. Huwag niyo lang madali. So focus muna tayo sa receive. Focus muna tayo sa receive. May kaabang ka doon sa dulo. Pasok ka na dito ng tres. Okay, yung double jump o double jump. Tapos, Diyos dito ka sa kabilang dulo. Tapos, yung depensa ng kalaban, masyado sila naka-forward kasi hindi tayo nagda-drop ball, puro tayo palo kayo naabangan nila. So, try naman natin mag-drop ball sa gitna. Ha?
Denise, anong mga nakita mo, narinig mo sa timeout niya?
Well, one of course, yung huling sinabi ni Coach George na masyadong nasa harap yung PLDT. And I would always say this, the key to winning is watching and understanding, knowing what the opponent is doing and knowing how to react to what your opponent is doing. Diba? Sinabi rin niya na hanapin mo yung percentage spiker mo, hanapin mo lang si Dindin. We've talked about the support, the importance of support in this game. But then again, be practical. Sino ba yung almost 100% laging makakascore? Dindin Santiago, you go to her.
Petron may lead in the attacks, folks. Pero tingnan mo sa errors. Diyan bumawi ngayon ng PLDT partner.
Oh, at least na-minimize na nila this time. Unlike the first set na talagang tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang petty errors.
Tingnan natin dito, set point na to for PLDT, Denise. Will they get set number 2? We'll find out. Panatig na nag-serve, but that was a service error for PLDT. Coach Roger naman humingi ng timeout. Lamang sila ng tatlo, pakinggan natin siya.
Wala, tapos papanuin mo lang ng papel na gano'n. Pag na-block ka, di wala. Parang ini-over mo lang yung bola. May tao tayo sa harap Kung pwedeng huwag tayong mag-open, magpatakbuhin mo yung mga spiker mo. Sino nandun? Si Jella o Quicksito. Pwede naman itong pumasok dun sa gitna Mahina yung gitna Tatabuan mo na kuya. Ang dami natin pwedeng gawin.
Denise, sa mga volleyball players tulad mo, huwag mag-open, patakbuhin ng spiker. Simple yun, naintindihan mo yun. Dun sa mga nanonood na hindi alam yung mga terms na yan, can you please educate us?
Well, it's very simple. Si Coach Roger, sinabi niya lang na yung kay Sue, di ba? He was instructing her na huwag mo i-over na parang binibigay mo lang sa bola yung kalaban. Yung patakbuhin naman is paghiwalayin mo yung mga blockers mo, din. Kasi pwede siyang, she can be confused Parang nasa gitna siya, hahabol siya sa kanan, hahabol siya sa kaliwa. Pahirapan mo.
That is Volleyball 101, courtesy of Denise Tan. Maraming salamat, partner. Here we go. 24-21, 3-point lead for PLDT at yung pagkakapalo doon ni Dindin nakapagbigay ng 25th point ng PLDT. We are tied in terms of set count, 1-all with PLDT getting set number 2 to score of 25-21. We'll be right back. Bigan ng Philippine Super League All Filipino Conference po, edit po sa atin ng PLDT Home Evolution, limitless sharing with the family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL, ang numero 1 home broadband. At ito po ang mga manlalaro natin from Petron and PLDT. This is set number 2. So far, the Blaze attack, or the Blaze Spikers rather, up in set number 2 by 2 points. Set 1, napunta pa rin po sa Petron. Pero ngayon ang PLDT, Sasa de Manadera on deck to serve. Carla Agos, ano meron natin dyan?
Thanks, Chicky. Well, talk about blazing through the first set. Coach George was all smiles while speaking to his team. He told them to stick to their game plan, remember their combination plays, and when the time comes, block before deciding to score. It isn't all about offense, but defense as well. Earlier, Chicky, I heard you and Denise comment on Big B's smile and the smiles of the Petron team. Well, when I spoke to her before the game, she said that one of the secrets to this game is to be happy. Her team tries to enjoy the game as much as possible, and why not? They worked hard for this game, and they plan to continue that. Back to you guys.
Aba, ang gusto ko, happy ka. Yan. And so far, happy si Dindin. Pero partner, happy rin dito ang PLDT. Bakit ka mo? Because they're only down by 2. And yung binabanggit mo kaninang parang walang energy. Hindi energy. Kulang sa communication. Kulang sa happiness. I'm seeing the power attackers playing a little bit loose now.
Yes. And slowly nakikita din natin na they're playing with, yun nga, hindi sila masyadong yung down, ganyan. But as you can see muna, yung blocks natin, Petron has 7. Ito naman PLDT has 1. Kaya gusto ko lang i-mention yung sinabi ni Carla
Go ahead.
about Petron and the coach saying na you have to be consistent at kailangan unahin mo muna yung depensa. It's not all about scoring.
That's right. And in this particular action, Dindin Santiago, nag-focus muna sa offense. But I like what you mentioned there. How can you score if you don't defend? Diba? Kailangan makuha mo muna yung bola
Oo.
para maka-set up ka. And I will keep on rubbing it in. The importance of the libero.
Oh, yes. Alam mo kami, Chiki, back in college when we were playing at naghahabol kami, it's not, let's go, it's one stop. One
Yes.
stop, one stop. And we're talking about receiving the ball, digging every spike. It all starts from there.
And when you mentioned that one stop, nakita ko si Loan Ladiga and the rest of the PLDT power attackers, they're nodding because that was a good stop. You know, hindi sila nataranta. They waited for the ball to sail out. And because of that, Denise, because of that service by De Leon, we are tied at 10.
Well, let's see if PLDT can go all the way in this set.
Di tayo nagtayo nung
Nung first set, yes.
Iniwanan ng Petron ng PLDT, pero ito.
Oh my God. Iniwanan din yung mga blockers.
Pero outside nga lang.
Yeah, but the power on that girl, talagang it says a lot about how dangerous she is inside that court. Talagang hindi mo siya pwedeng bitawan.
Pero kita mo yung walang reaction sa mukha ni Loan Latigay kanina. Parang sige lang, outside naman eh.
Oo, used to it. Tapos outside.
However, De Leon returns it back. Kaya tatabla mo ulit title na. Masangkay on deck to serve for the Petron Blaze Spikers. De Leon will set. Good dig. Coming from Reyes. Ito, buhay pa rin ang bola. Let's see. Oh, baba nun. The ball still alive. Free ball. Quick one.
Nice set from Masangkay.
Wow. That was a quick one.
I know, and this Petron team, they're unstoppable as long as they have that good defense. Dahil ang ganda ng timing. Look at Masangkay setting that ball to Dindin Santiago. You cannot even comment on anything about that play. Perfect.
Alam mo yung pagkakapalo ni Dindin? Sorry po, description ko lang, parang walang buto. Nung...
Suabe.
Suabe, but ayaw bumigay ni Batman. That's Benting. Sabi niya, teka lang, we are still tied at 12. They plan on getting set number 2, and I will not be surprised if we go all the way to set 5. I will not be surprised. Soriano service. Pumasok yan. Ito. Defended well at the net. Was tinned in. And the PLDT grabs the lead, 13-12.
I think this is the first time. Is this the first time they ever grabbed the
Yes.
It is, right?
Because it was a good start for Petron ng first set. So Charo Soriano serving for PLDT. They're up by 1, 13-12. Let's see if they can get a 2-point lead.
Nice set.
Pero ayaw. Ayaw ni Cabalsa. No. Let's tie it again at 13. Alam mo dito sa gantong kadikit, pag umabot to ng 20 and we are tied, ang kumurap dito talo.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Bumitaw.
one minor mistake. And if it goes Petron's way, iba ang time. Di ba? Masisiraan ng loob ng PLDT. Pero pag tumabla ang PLDT,
Usapan na.
iba talaga. De Leon, naisalba pa yan ni Su, pero napailing siya doon. But they get another chance here. Oh, free ball for PLDT. And Gretchen Hall will take advantage of that free ball.
I told you, every single time that Petron gets a chance ball, free ball, whatever you call it, it will automatically convert into a point.
Di ba? Nagkaroon ng chance ang PLDT to actually score. But what happened there was after the set by De Leon, nobody really jumped.
Confusion.
So nangyari, balik lang sa kabila. 14, serving 13. That's Big D. That's a good serve there. Oh, great dive. At the net. Oh.
Violation there.
Kung hindi dahil kay Pantone, hindi makakakuha ng isang point dito ang PLDT.
And that's, again, the importance of having a good libero or good defense.
For other teams out na yun, Denise, hindi nakakabulin yun eh.
Pero at least we saw some effort there. Yun yung kanina pang hinihingi ni Coach Roger.
It's overreaching for Masangkay and the rest of the Blaze Spikers. PLDT, they're up 15-14. Tingnan natin, makatabla kaya ang Petron. Yes, they do. Dahil yan kay Cabalsa. Was it Cabalsa? Or Morada? We'll check. Wow, we're tied at 15.
What I like about this teams naman is hindi sila nagpapaiwan. And that's what I think is good for PLDT kasi kanina nung first set, pinabayaan lang nila. But at least now, even if we go all the way to the fifth set, at least we see players like Sue Roses really giving their all.
And lamang po ang PLDT second technical timeout ng set number 2, 16-15. Back in a moment. Sunday, set 1 napunta sa Petron, set number 2 napunta sa PLDT. At kahit may diferensya po sa attack numbers, saan nagkatalo dito, Denise?
Definitely the errors. Kita natin, PLDT only had 4. They kept it down to 4. Tapos itong Petron, 12. Twice the amount na ginawa ng PLDT. And nakita mo yung attack, it's just 6 points. Na-serve 2 points. So yung errors na yun, pwedeng yun na nga yung 8 points na na-score ng Petron diba?
Alam mo, tama ka doon. That had they decreased those number of errors, they lost by 4 points. That would have spelled the difference. That's right. So, still, numbers won't lie. Atake, lamang ang Petron. Bakit kanyo? Because of people like Dindin, people like Gretchen Ho, na ang ganda ng timing. Pero sa kabila, yung smart play ng mga veterano ng PLDT led by Sue Roses, Charo there, De Leon also. These guys are the ones taking care of that better. All of that volleyball. Set 3. On deck to service, Mary Grace Masangkay. Tabla ho tayo. 1-all in terms of set count. Ito na. Sino muna makakascore? And the first point will go to PLDT. Now, this might set the tone for set 3. Alam mo, tabla. So if you were to ask me, ako feeling ko, walang momentum dito sa set 3. Tabla lang. But whoever
Wins
gets...
this, yes. Yun ang makakakuha.
Iba na. Talagang yung shift nun. Big D scoring the first point of Petron in set 3. We are tied at 1.
Well, let's see if, this is what we saw from PLDT back in the first set. Nabago nila pagdating ng second set. But with that error from Char Soriano, I would hope na hindi mabalik dun sa laro nila ng first set na walang depensa.
Here we go, PLDT on the attack. That's a quick between De Leon and De Banadera. Yung talaga favor ni Sasa eh. Ano yung description mo sa kanya? Siya yan, di ba? Quickest of the... si Chicky pala yan, Chicky Pablo. Quickest of the quick killers. Tawag na. Favorite ni Sasa yan. Su scoring the third point of PLDT. And this is a different power attackers we're seeing right now in set 3.
Well, I'm sure they're adjusting. Kanina, binanggit ni Coach Roger yung pagtakbo, paghiwalay, and that's exactly what Sue Roses did in that last play.
Latigay taking advantage of that regalo. Any gift will get that. And Petron having a quick huddle. On their own court, they're down here by 3 points. Something unfamiliar for them dito sa game na ito. Again, another gift.
You cannot give those kinds of balls to Luan Latigay. Talagang nakaabang yan, hindi yan nawawala sa net.
Bigyan ka ng dalawang regalo, hindi mo tatanggapin.
Meron ka for me?
Kailan ba birthday mo?
Hoy! Ay, ayoko pala sabihin.
Malapit na ba? Malapit na? Kailan?
On Sunday.
Sunday, mga kasamaan. Sunday ang birthday. Alam na natin kung saan tayo pupunta pagkatapos, ha?
Dapat schedule nyo ako.
Pero, tinan mo, you said schedule. Ang schedule na yun ng PLDT, maganda dito sa set number 3.
Oh, yes.
On schedule sila because they're
Up
up.
by 3.
That's right. Sa Sunday ka pala. Malapit na.
Di ba yung July din?
Tapos na.
Ay,
July 20 ka. Okay.
wala akong naramdaman. Papits.
Sasa gives PLDT a 4-point lead, 6-2. And Sue Roses will still serve for PLDT.
Oh, sorry, ito si Sasa, we call her in college silent assassin. Simple, hindi masyadong nag-react, pero very, very effective.
Very deadly. And tables
That one's
upturned.
outside, yes.
Look at the faces of Petron. The Blaze Spikers, they're not smiling. On the other side, the women in black starting to smile and enjoy this game. Superman serving for PLDT. That's a check ball, and that's another point for Petron. They're third in set number 3. 4-point lead here for the power attackers. And Micah Morada on deck to serve for Petron.
Micah Morada serving.
De Leon will go to Latigay. Going to the back was Latigay. And they have found their groove partner as we head on to our first technical timeout ng third set. PLDT up 8-3. We'll be right back. Cars of our players. This is quarterfinals match between Petron and PLDT. Lahat ng namamagang daliri, masakit na kasukasuan, lahat po yan ay kakalimutan ng ating mga manlalaro. Because this is very important. The winner in this game will face RC, Philippine Air Force, in the semifinal round. Big D at the back. Finding zone 1 empty.
Again, attacking the defense of PLDT. You know what? Nakita niya, Sasa has been doing well in the, when she was a frontliner. Atakihin ko ngayon sa backline. Baka I could attack also her confidence na unti-unting nabibuild up.
Just a 4-point lead for PLDT. It's 4 serving 10. That was De Los Santos earlier on your screens. Latigay wanting to go to the corner pero malakas outside ng kanyang palo. So that's back-to-back points here for Petron. 5 serving 8. Still De Los Santos serving for Petron. That's a service error, and that gives PLDT a 4-point lead.
That's very unlikely for Sandra De Los Santos. You know, she's one of the top servers of this this league. She was also, I think she got numerous awards also for being best, not just a best attacker, but also a best server.
Pero sabi yata ni Carla kanina galing sa sakit si Sandra
Yeah.
for 4 days. Thank you Carla for reminding us. So probably baka wala pa sa hulog, ano?
But that's why I forgot that Carla said that kasi I was supposed to mention na kakapasok niya lang eh. Kakapasok niya lang in this third set. In the first 2 sets, she was missing.
So baka nga hindi pa siya in game shape. Let's see. Kanina hindi nasalo ni Sue Roses yun kaya free point yun for Petron. They're down by 6. I'm talking about the Blaze Spikers. Chance here to cut it down pero wala nangyari. PLDT on the attack. They go to Sue. Reyes was there. Masangkay to Big D. Batman will try. Down the line for Batman.
Great spike from Jella Bending. Alam mo kanina medyo off pa siya with her hits but now she's actually finding a target. Nakita niya, din Santiago, nasa gitna. Straight down the line ako. Ba't ko papapahirapan yung sarili ko?
Tama ba ako in thinking or in saying that the down the line attack is one of the hardest attacks?
Oh yes. Kasi normally ang buwelo natin na when we're a volleyball player, lalabas ka ng court eh.
Okay.
So automatically medyo nakadiagonal ka na niyan.
Okay.
And it's actually a good thing dahil mas malaking target mo pag nakadiagonal ka. So doing the down the line spike takes a lot of practice and experience.
Okay. Kaya bibihira ang duma-down the line na perfecto, ano?
And with that amount of power.
Yes. 3-point lead for PLDT. Masangkay on deck to serve. It's 7 serving 10. This is crucial set 3. We are tied at 1 apiece. Ball still alive. Masangkay will go back to Dindin. At the net, buhay pa rin ang bola. Tuloy pa rin ang joust sa net. Dindin. Defended well by Bantone. Oh!
I love that.
Look at Bantone raising her hands in midair. She thought that was a free ball.
You know what? Yung ginawa ni Ruby De Leon, that's very, very smart. Hinabol niya. May kita natin dito. Ang mali yung medyo mataas yung receive. Hinabol lang ni Ruby. She made this parang semi-effort.
That's a fake.
Oh, that's a fake. Kasi lahat sila nakabang sa taas and no one got the ball.
So
Smart.
that was a blessing.
Oh, yes.
And again, credit also goes to Ruby. But the power by Santiago na tinatawag ni Coach George na percentage spiker.
Yes.
In other words, lumilingon sa pangalang Dindin Santiago. Just a 3-point lead for PLDT. This is interesting. Crucial set 3. Big D on deck to serve. It's 8 serving 11. Oh, we have a very good crowd here this knockout Sunday. De Leon to Sue. Oh. That's 4 touches there.
That was a good set though from Ruby De Leon. And both Ruby and Sue had the right thing in mind dahil nga separating the blockers. But then again, medyo mali lang yung execution.
Carla, anong balita mo sa amin?
Guys, Petron may be down, but they're all fueled up. Using the second set as a learning experience, Coach George told his team to start supporting one another. He told the Blaze Spikers that in order to lessen their errors, they have to not think of making any at all. He told them that this is a mental game, so think about the plays. He told them that this third set will be about varying their plays and communicating with one another. He ended the huddle with a simple instruction. Gumawa ng paraan. Can they do it? Back to you guys.
That's the favorite of Coach Ronnie, GNP. Gumawa ng paraan. Tingnan natin. Tama, ano mo? Tanggalin mo na yung X's and O's dito, partner. Sino mas matibay yung dibdib? Diba?
Yes, yun nga eh. So we're here in the quarterfinals. We're seeing all the action. Sino patibayan ng usapan dito, hindi yung pagalingan.
Sino mas matibay? Buhay pa rin ang bola. De Leon will sit. Sue will try. Ball is still alive. De Leon one more time. And now, it's a free ball. Masangkay. Buhay pa rin ang bola. We have a loud crowd here at Coneka.
From Sue Roses.
And that is for PLDT. They are up 16-11. We go to our second technical timeout of set number 3. Wala akong bibitaw. We'll be right back. Support your favorite volleyball star in the PSL Face-Off. Log on to www.solarentertainmentcorp.com to cast your vote. Boto na, huwag kalilimutan. And again, quarterfinals match na po natin.
So that's Jaja Santiago on your
That was
screen.
Jaja, right?
Yeah. Supporting her sister.
Mas matangkad daw yun, ano?
Oh yes, I think she's 6'4".
Oh my gosh.
And she's what, 17? 18?
Wow, 17 ako. 5'2 lang yata ako. 5'3.
Ngayon.
5'9 naman. 5'9. Medyo
That's big, ah.
pinalad ng konti nung papasok ng college. Eto, pinapalad naman ngayon ng PLDT. They're up 17-11 pero may humingi ng timeout. Let's try to listen to Coach George.
Pag magmamadali tayo, kailangan one at a time lang. Okay? Ngayon, naghahabol tayo, sabay, bibilisan natin. Hindi ganun kadali. Dahan-dahan lang. Umpisan natin sa blocking, service, sa receive, sa depensa. Bakit ang kalaban? Na-over nila ng ganun kahina yung bola kasi nadidepensahan nila. Kasi dinidisiplina nila yung sarili nila sa depensa. May pattern ng depensa. Tayo kung saan tayo kumukover eh. Tapos presence of mind. Diba?
Denise, sabi mo kanina, nung kayo naglalaro, pag nagkahabol, one stop at a time,
Yeah.
right? Coach George, sinabi niya, haste makes waste. And then, finally, depensa. Tintin Santiago is doing well in terms of offense. But you were mentioning everything starts on defense.
Oh yes, kasi yun nga, di ba? One stop. It's what we always say kasi, okay, how are you gonna spike without a set?
Oh,
How
yes.
are you gonna set without a good receive? It's that simple.
So for you to score, you gotta get that ball.
Yes.
And-
Actually, what's better nga sana is if you score off a defense, like a block.
Pwede yun.
Di ba? Wala nang hirap-hirap. Defend the net, get a point.
Yes. Or score via mga regalo.
Oh yes.
Pero ito, this might be something that Coach George would be requiring or looking for his players. They're still down by 6, pero ang bola babalik sa kanila. Zapanta will be serving for Pechon. Let's see if Mayet can trim the lead down. They're still down by 6. Set number 3. We are tied in set count, 1 apiece. Oh! That will be big if this
Yes.
goes down the wire
That's
again.
a turning point, I think. Magtuloy-tuloy ang laro ng Petron in this set.
So it's 19 serving 12. Sasa de Manadera on deck to serve. Masangkay. Oh, good set there for Aganon.
And Aganon just killing that ball. You know what I like about Aganon? That set wasn't perfect. Medyo malayo nga siya sa net eh. Medyo bitin din siya. But she's a good spiker. She knows that she has to adjust to every set that is given to her.
Ay, wala ka ng time para, di ba?
Yeah.
Bigyan mo. But yung binigay sa'yo. You have to deal with it.
Exactly.
Quarters na po ito. Kumbaga, walang bawi tayo sa next game. There's no next game if you lose. And if you win, whoever wins here will be going up against number 2 RC, Philippine Air Force. Sa kabila naman, ang maglalaban, Air Asia at Cagayan for the quarterfinals. And whoever wins there will be going up against current number 1, Generica Army. 20 serving 13, 7-point lead. Anong atake dito? They go to Dindin. A great dig there. Sue, babalik lang yan. Pagkakataon ng Petron. Oh, you go to your percentage spiker.
And that I would like to credit that point to Masangkay. That receive wasn't good. Malayo sa net, mababa. Pero nakita mo yung hinabol niya? Yung jump niya was away from the net para maitulak niya yung bola to Dindin Santiago's hand. And Dindin just killing that ball.
And that's what they've been doing. Hindi sabi nga ni Coach George, magpahirapan. Give it to your best spiker. Bending off the deflection. And PLDT comfortably up by 7, 21-14.
You know, Chiki, mention ko lang, magandang nakikita ko dito sa PLDT with Juan Latigay, Jella Binting. kanina, nabablock sila ng nabablock.
Aha.
Kasi sinupuwersa nila yung palo nila. And with the past 2 or 3 plays, they're trying to hit it off the block. Simple, di ba?
Kumbaga, hindi naman kinakailangan baon palagi eh.
At saka at this point of this set, nakikita mo ginagawa na talaga nila ng paraan.
At yun ang kinakailangan gawin dito ng Petron. They're down by 7. De Leon, quickly. Masangkay, going back to Dindin. Look at the defense of PLDT. Oh, it's in place. Batman will score again. Wow!
Hindi pa tapos yung set eh, pero I'd like to say Batman saved it.
Oh!
Wala
So
far.
It's an 8-point lead. I like what you're about to say. Sana mangyari yan mamaya. Tingnan natin. Coach George here.
Pabayaan mo din yung pesa dito sa gilid. Kasi kaya na-check mo, hinahabol mo eh. So useless, di ba? Ngayon, kung dapat block yun, bibitawan natin. Di ba? Nananano lang yung kalaban natin dahil sinasyaga nila sa depensa. Tsaka hindi natin. Kung gusto natin pumuntas kailangan. Kung natin sa depensa, tsaka natin pumuntas. Hanapin mo din din. Yung spider mo na.
22-14. 8-point lead for PLDT. That was Benting on your screens kanina. Batman with a bat spike from her utility belt.
Well, napakaganda pinapakita ng PLDT compared to what Petron is doing right now. We heard Coach George saying nga, di ba? Tiyaga lang, and that's something that PLDT is definitely doing in this third set.
Sue. Oh, good defense at the net by Cabalsa. Pwede naman si Sue. Okay lang. Lamang naman.
Yeah.
22-15. 7-point lead here. Pero bola nasa Petron. Masangkay. De Leon. Back set. Masangkay to Dindin. They're going to Big D. Great save there. Buhay pa ang bola. Reyes to Masangkay. To Santiago in that order.
I'm always so amazed with the Masangkay-Santiago connection. Simple. Sobrang simple. And that's why I love it.
22-16. It's 16 serving 22 rather.
Yeah, jump set from Masangkay. Perfect timing from Dindin also.
Yun na yung formula eh, no?
And why fix what isn't broken? Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Benting. Reyes was there. Dindin again. Pancake.
Oh,
Di daw.
she didn't get it.
Di naabutan ni De Leon. So that's 3 straight points from the Blaze Spikers. At may timeout si Coach Roger. Siya naman ang ating pakinggan.
Konting hakbang. Hakbang lang na kaunti. Hindi ko kailangan magagano, no? Maaabot naman natin eh. Buti sana kung malayo. Huwag niyo sayangin yung opensa natin ha. Tatlo tayo eh. Charo, si Dindin, pag pumapalo dito, bakit dito mo siya binablock eh? Nakaharap siyang ganyan. Dito mo siya binablock. Pag nakaharap siya dito mo siya binablock. Ano ba? Kaharap siya dito, ganyanin mo na yung block. Dindin lang naman bola.
So he was talking to Charo and to De Leon. For De Leon, one more step.
Yes.
Huwag ka nang pumancake. And to Charo, Dindin, kaya mo i-block.
Yes, because they know exactly where that ball is going. And Coach Roger was saying, diba, wag niyong sayangin. You have to protect what you worked hard for. They were up by how many?
8
points.
Oh.
And now it's down to just, how many? It's down to just 5 or...
Count
wait.
Will that point go to... Oh, it goes to Petron. So it's down to 4.
Yes. Kailangan nilang protektahan. Kasi it did come easily for them. And they're at this point na kaya na nilang i-close out yung set. All they have to do is work a little harder for the offense, tsaka think a little quicker.
And PLDT cannot add fuel to the already fueled Petron. Let's see here. At the net. Anong tawag ng ating ref? Was that 4 touches?
Well, the ball did go over the net.
Did go over?
Yes.
Okay.
But I think Santiago was asking for a check ball.
Oh, okay. But still the call went to the favor of PLDT. So, that's a breather there. Para sa power attackers. They're up 23-18. Maru Manatikla will be serving for PLDT. Masangkay. That formula has been working for them. Sue going to the back. Free ball ito. Kaya napunta si De Leon. They go to Sue. Oh, great action we're seeing right now. Ball is still alive, but that point will go to PLDT, courtesy of Superman. Wow!
And look at her just enjoying that last play.
Walk us through this, Denise.
Sumabit pa eh, no? Well, yeah. Actually, maganda lang ginawa ni Sue doon kasi sinimplihan niya lang. She knew that everybody was down on their knees at mas mahirap sa kanilang gumalaw. So, mas mahinang palo.
Din on the attack. Great defense by Sasa. Sue putting it in the back. Cabalsa will set. They go to Dindin again. Great net defense.
Triple block working for PLDT.
At dahil dyan, PLDT nakakuha ng back-to-back sets. They get set number 3 with a score of 25-18. They're up 2 sets to 1. Set number 4 right after this break. Ito po mga kaganapan ng set number 3. Now, the numbers have turned in terms of attacks, Denise, in favor of PLDT. That's, I think, one of the main reasons why they got set number 3.
Oh yes, definitely. They had, yung hindi natin nakikita sa numbers ngayon, is yung floor defense definitely worked for them. Kaya nga mas nakakalamang sila in attacks ngayon. Sa blocks naman, none for them, 2 for Petron, but that didn't matter because the errors of Petron are just killing them. Yes, yung 9 points na yan, I mean, the 9 errors really hurt them. And kahit sabihin natin na 7 points yung lamang ng PLDT at that third set, yung 4 points doon, malamang doon galing sa errors na kinamit nila.
We'd like to hear from you guys. Ang ating mga social media mediums po dyan, Facebook, Twitter, don't forget. Instagram, of course. So, make sure that you join us in whatever manner, whatever medium you'd like to. This is your quarterfinals, ang ating Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference Women's Quarterfinals. From 7 down to 6, signal is already out. At ito po ang bakbakan sa pagitan ng number 3 na Petron at number 6 na PLDT. Winner here will face RC Philippine Air Force. In the other quarterfinals, it's number 4 AirAsia versus number 5 Cagayan. At ang mananalo po dyan, makakaharap ang Generica Army. Abangan nyo po, magkakasama mamaya James Velasquez, Mia Kalim, and Selena Dagdag in the second match for your Knockout Sunday. Dindin at the net. And that's a good start for Petron in set 4.
Definitely. You know, Dindin Santiago is one player, alam natin lahat na siya yung go-to girl, pero she really has to step up and lead by example in this fourth set kung gusto ka nilang mabuhay at manatili dito sa Philippine Superliga.
I like that. Go-to girl. Hindi go-to guy. Go-to girl.
Go-to girl.
Girl power.
Oh, yes!
I'm surrounded by lovely ladies. I got Carla on the right and Denise here on the left. Wow. Mamaya naman si James ang swerte. May Miyaka on the left and Selena on the right. 2-0 in favor of PLD of Petron. Make that 2-1 as Soriano chalks up the first point of PLDT in set 4. And she will also serve for PLDT. 1 serving 2. But PLDT is up in set count 2-1. Dindin. Benting will try. Oh, that's an error on Benting.
Yeah, double violation from Jella Benting. Mali yung footing niya and automatically medyo mali din yung tama ng bola sa kamay niya.
So Petron is up 3-1 early in set 4. The Big D on deck to serve. Let's see. Ano ang gagawin dito ng PLDT? All the way from the back. Masangkay will still go to Santiago. Why not? It's working.
That was a power head from Santiago, but then on the side of PLDT, there was I think Ruby De Leon was very hesitant to get that ball, kaya naman she was at the right place, pero yung kamay niya, bigla siya parang nag-hesitate. Look at that. Look at her.
Alanganin.
Oo.
But by the time she decided to get it, wala na.
The ball already in her hand, yeah.
4-31, still Big D. Sagot dito ng PLDT. Sue. Oh, she found the corner. She found the corner. Open zone 5. Mahirap hanapin ng mga kanto.
Yes. Tsaka maganda lang kasi yung target niya din si Santiago. You would want Dindin to be really tired at this point.
Make her work,
Yes.
no? Both ends of the floor. Sue, defender at the net. Pero buhay pa rin ang bola. Oh, great attack there. Coming from Luan Latigay. And the lead is down to 1. It's 3 serving 4 with Benting on deck to serve. That's Angela Benting, also known as Batman, partnering with Sue Roses, the Superman. De Leon going to Sue. And off the block, we are tied at 4.
Sue just really doing her thing. Kung hindi maipasok sa loob ng court, hit it off the block.
Yan yung good decision making, you know. Kung mga bata-bata tong mga to, they would have gone with power,
Yes.
forcing the issue.
I think the more experienced the player is, the simpler they move.
You will attack whatever the defense is giving you.
Now serving number 2, Plaza Abaza.
5-4, Petron is up. Cabalsa on deck to serve. De Leon will go to Sasa. Pero nag-aabang sa net si De Los Santos.
Rin yung power combo nitong Petron. Hindi sila talaga may hirapan in terms of net defense because as soon as Dindin Santiago goes to the back line, dyan naman Sandra De Los Santos, your back-to-back MVP.
Kahit na nasa likod yung matangkad eh, no?
Oh, but there you go, Sue Roses.
She loves that running spike,
Sabi
right?
niya, matangkad din ako at kaya ko panuhin yung
At
down
may
the
power
line.
din ako.
Exactly.
So, PLDT only down by 1.5, serving 6. Sue. Masangkay to De Los Santos. And the smart move by De Los Santos after being out for 4 days. She has found her groove.
Yes, and I commend her for playing here and playing that way. Hindi madali bumalik and play that good, play that well after being sick. Minsan nga mga 2 days lang, yung condition mo medyo bumababa na
Ito,
kagad.
4 eh.
Yes.
4 na araw na nawala yan, no? But on the other end, Luan Latigay getting that point back through that off the block. So seesaw battle here. So 1 point lead for Petron. Sasa will be serving for PLDT. It's 6 serving 7. Sangkay. Going to Sandra, pero malakas, malayo. Sobrang pagkakapala.
Yeah, that was a great set though.
Attack is out. Point close to PLDT.
So we are tied at 7. Sino kayang mauna sa unang technical timeout ng set number 4? We'll find out. Masangkay will go to Gretchen. Oh, and Gretchen will give Petron a 1 point lead as we go to the first technical timeout of set number 4. Petron up 8-7.
Hitting it off the block. Paraan lang.
Para.
Yes.
At gusto ko lang remind ng lahat ng kaibigan natin, Philippine Super League All Filipino Conference, ay hatid po sa atin ng PLDT Home Devolution, limitless share with the family size connection of PLDT. Home DSL, the #1 home broadband. Cabalsa to Santiago. De Leon, buhay pa rin ang bola. At the net, hindi pinalad si Sasa, and we are tied at 12. Wow. Walang gustong bumigay eh.
Yes. And Leslie Ann Pantone was just, she's everywhere. Oo, kanina the first set, diba? Sinasabi natin medyo masama yung defense itong PLDT, but her effort is just so evident in this, from the start of the second, third, and now in the fourth set.
Tama nga si Carla, no? May pagka-diesel engine din tong PLDT. Santiago. Sue going to the back. Dindin was there. Masangkay. Hindi yata lumampas yung
Yes.
pagkakapalo ni Nina, no?
Masyado siyang nangigil doon. The thing is, the ball was talagang, maluwag? Malayo. Malayo sa net, oo.
Pero sinubukan niya.
Oo.
However, wala eh. Walang leverage. 1 point lead for PLDT. Muntik pa makakuha ng donut dun si Aganon. He'll try again. De Los Santos defended by Roses. But Benting already slid to the side.
And that's what most coaches would remind the players. Ba't ka magdadive kung pwedeng takbuhin?
Yun.
Tsaka kailangan basahin mo yung bola because the thing is, kung nabasa ni Jella na that ball is not going to hurt, nakatayo pa siya and she could have gotten that second ball.
Parang nauna yung galaw niya dun sa bola. Oh, smart move by De Leon, but Reyes also there. Another move by De Leon. And they'll give the point to PLDT as they grab another 1-point lead, 14-13.
I like the fact na ang tapang ni De Leon doon na normally kasi for a setter to be successful in doing those kinds of attacks, gagawin mo siya, pasimple lang. You just set the ball 90% of the time and then when the opponent is not expecting it, tsaka ka ngayon titira.
Ito, nag-back-to-back siya. Hindi, yun, siguro. Kumbaga, something that they were expecting from Ruby. Santiago to the back. Benting was there. PLDT up here by 1 point. One more time. Latigay, nadidepensahan. Gretchen Hall. Luan, humihingi ng isa pa, pero kay Roses napunta. Reyes will get that ball. It's going to be a free ball. De Leon will go to Latigay. Oh, great kick. Oh, almost a great save. But that point will go to PLDT. Look at this action here, Denise.
And then Santiago doing everything that she could. Pwede naman eh.
Oo.
Oo.
I was about to shout goal. 15 serving 13. Sasa de Vanadera on deck to serve. Will they have a 3-point lead? Going to the second technical timeout. Hindi. Ayaw yan ni Sandra. And the lead is cut down to 1.
And it's cut down to 1 with Dintin Santiago back in the front line. So let's see how PLDT will adjust.
Inaabangan natin palagi yan when she rotates. 14 serving 15. And PLDT will grab a 2-point lead. They're up 2 sets to 1 after getting sets 2 and 3. Dindin Santiago and the rest of the Blaze Spikers, they want to get set number 4 to force a rubber set in set 5. Tingnan natin kung yan ang magagawa nila. Santiago. Si De Leon will go to Sue. Regalo. Gandang depensa. De Leon to Benting. Oh, we have a great rally here. And Santiago's hit is out.
Well, then Santiago trying to make the best out of that set by Masangkay. And unfortunately, that ball just didn't hit the line.
And remember, partner, coming into this quarterfinals match, PLDT's record is 2-4. And that's reverse naman for Petron. That's 4-2.
Well, I told you kanina, in these kinds of situations, wala na yun eh. Hindi na, it doesn't matter the eliminations. Kumbaga, we're back to 0 now. Do or die lang. And whoever team gives their all is a team that will, ano ba yan? Is a team that will advance. Masyado ako na-excite sa game
okay lang. Alam mo tayo mga sportscasters, Denise, nagkakabulol-bulol din tayo. Lalo na if we're watching this very close game. It happens. We are also fans of this game.
Ako, if they would see me while I'm calling you.
Ay, naku po, si Denise mo minsan tumatayo. 18-15, 3-point lead for PLDT. Ruby De Leon on deck to serve. And I always say, for me, the 20th point, yan ang shaky period na eh. Kung sinong una makatungtong dyan, may psychological advantage na. Santiago. Latigay will go to the back. Masangkay to Santiago. De Leon going to Benting. Ball is still alive. De Leon to Superman. Oh, and and they'll score again, courtesy of Sue. And PLDT is up 19-15. Carla, anong meron dyan?
Thanks, Chicky. There is no I in team, but a great team can move as one. Coach Roger told the Blaze Spikers that their errors are piling up because they're too scattered on the floor and they're not moving in sync, and that's why they can't read the ball. He then focused on Masangkay, reminding her of her role as setter and to first establish the ball. The vibe of the huddle may have been solemn, but Captain Gretchen Hall was quick to cheer everyone up by saying, "Bagong set, guys. Bawi na lang tayo. Kaya natin to." Can the Blaze Spikers rise to the occasion? Back to you guys.
We'll find out. Pero habang nag-report ka doon, Carla, we were looking at the body language of Coach George Pasco. Hindi pa naman siya natataranta no? Denise?
Well, alam mo, Chiki, napakalayo pa nito. You were mentioning pag 20, medyo shaky na. But
diba?
This is just a 4-point lead.
Yes.
And madali pa tong habulin.
Tingnan natin. Ruby De Leon serving for PLDT. They're up by 4. Masangkay to Dindin. Oh, yun na.
And that's the reason why Coach George is not bothered.
Basta nasa harap si Dindin at katabi niya ang kanyang setter na si Masangkay. Look at this. Oh my. Dindin and the rest of the team.
Yes, 23 points for Dindin Santiago and 25 for the rest of the team. So you could just only imagine how effective this girl is. Kaya siya yung refer ni George na talagang percentage spiker. Go-to girl.
It's the playoffs.
Yes.
You go to your best spiker, best attacker.
And the best attacker of the league.
Yun. Pero kanina, si Soriano says, hold on. We want to get that ball back, and they're up here 20-16. And on deck to serve is Maru. Tingnan natin ang sagot dito ng Petron. It's a free ball. De Leon. Quickly to Sasa. And the point will go to Petron. They're asking for a check ball.
The referee says it's not. It's clearly outside.
So nakahinga dito ang Petron. They're only down by 3-17, serving 20. Big D on deck to serve. Ano kaya sagot dito ng PLDT? Running spike by Sue, defended well on the net by Cabalsa and De Los Santos.
Well, if you have De Los Santos, known as a great blocker, ang laking bagay nito ni Cabalsa dahil dagdag siya sa defense at dagdag siya sa power ng Petron.
Timing is crucial for Cabalsa. Let's listen to Coach Roger here.
Makinig sa akin. Sige, dumiskarte ka na lang daw.
Sige, tapusin natin. 5 points na lang. Isang magandang receive lang.
Bigyan natin sa Atterby magandang receive, ha? Bigyan natin sa Atterby magandang receive lang.
Tara.
I want to point this out. Look at the tricks of Coach Roger. Telling De Leon, ayaw mo makinig sa akin? Sige, bahala ka dumiskarte. But look what Sue did.
Yeah.
Bigyan natin ng magandang receive si Rubik.
Well,
Wow!
Coach Roger has always been like that. And tama ka eh. Parang pinapagalitan na yung senior mo who you know is performing very well. Parang ano to guilt trip.
Pero sabi ni Sue, no, bigyan natin si Ruby ng magandang receive. Kita mo yung pagsasalba nila with each other.
Yes, yun nga eh. Kasi parang ang napapagalitan dito si Ruby na alam naman natin na maganda yung pinapakita. Kinakapos lang siya minsan.
So let's see if that will work to their advantage. But Petron scores again. Courtesy of Sandra De Los Santos. And it's just a 1-point lead here for PLDT with Dindin still serving for Petron. Here we go. 19 serving 20. Coach Roger. Tahimik lang sa bench. Parang may iniisip na malalim. Sue on the attack. Oh, smart move there. Let's see. Benting on the other side. Long hands by Dindin. Nasave yun. De Leon. Back to Benting. Oy! Kinapos.
Wrong judgment there from Jella Benting. I knew that she wanted to make a soft hit kasi nga nakita niya the defenders were all the way down the corners kasi palitan dito ng malalakas na atake kaya lang kinapos talaga. I like the effort though. I like that Jella Benting is trying her hardest to confuse or at least score
And I know why Coach Roger's face is like that. Ayaw niya ng set 5. Sapagkat ang set 5 para sa kanya, set ng panibagong nervyusan. Sue. Masangkay was there. Reyes will set. Cabalsa will try. De Leon going to the back. It's out. It's out.
Sayang. Napakaganda ng play. Very, very smart move from Ruby De Leon.
Few inches. An inch or two probably. An inch or two. Ayun, no?
Konting-konti na lang.
I'd say 1 inch.
Me too.
I'd say 1 inch.
And look at how Dindin is celebrating. Kasi alam niya that could have been a point for PLDT.
Para siyang bushwhackers no, ng wrestling. 21 serving 20. Santiago.
Oh, but that one's outside. That one's outside.
You know what? No matter how good or how a veteran you are in any game, you can never put away pressure.
Oh, yes. Tsaka I think, minsan adrenaline, super yung pagsa-celebrate niya doon sa outside ni Ruby De Leon eh.
Hindi na control. Ito na. Sue.
Oh,
To Latigay. And PLDT up by 1.
And look at Luan Latigay. Hanggang ngayon, poker face pa din.
And look at Sue Roses. Alam niyang medyo challenged si De Leon. Medyo apektado siguro. Siya nagseset ngayon. We have a timeout. We will listen in on Coach George.
Babaw sa inyo kasi sobrang taas ng blocking natin kaya dito dumadaan. Okay? Naintindihan? Mina, pinapalo na. Huwag naman puro drop ball. Kasi titingnan nyo bago kayo mag-drop ng bola, titingnan nyo yung taya ng depensa. Nandito na, naka-forward na lang. So itulak sa dulo. Kaya yung ginagawa nila, pag nakita nila nasa gitna tayo, tutulak nila sa dulo. So gawin din natin naman yun. Pero kailangan lang, maging matalino lang tayo sa kanila.
You're nodding, Denise. You're nodding. Tell us why.
It's because it's basic volleyball right there from Coach George Pasco. And like what I mentioned earlier, winning is watching and understanding. Yun yung sinasabi niya eh. Pag nakita nyo nasa harap, itulak nyo sa likod like what Ruby De Leon did in that last play na napasobrahan lang.
Benting with the serve. They're up by 1, 22-21. Tatabla kaya ang Petron? Yes, they do. And we are tied at 22. And that was a good attack from Cabalsa. Parang nabunutan ng tinik itong Petron. Cabalsa will serve. We are tied at 22. Kapit sa upuan. De Leon to Sasa. Sue to Latigay. Masangkay. De Leon back to Latigay. Dindin was there. Balik lang sa kabila. De Leon to Sue. Ball still alive. At the net. Uy, hinabol pa.
Okay.
What's the call?
That's because Masangkay was a backliner. So her hand could not go over the net.
Okay. Alam mo, nagbubu ang crowd sa Cuneta, but I like your explanation. Go ahead.
Yeah, because
Tell the crowd again.
Masangkay, basically when you're a backliner, dapat hindi over yung net, hindi over yung kamay mo sa net. But what happened here? Okay. So saving the ball, and then Masangkay jumped, and her hand went over the net apparently.
So that's a good call.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for that volleyball 101, courtesy of Denise Tan. So that point will go to PLDT. Good break. Kasi kung hindi nangyari yun, kung hindi nasa backline si Masangkay, that would be a point for Petron.
Yes.
Ho. Masangkay will go to Dindin. De Leon to Latigay at the net.
Oh, that one's outside.
Oh. And that's a point for PLDT.
And look at Luan Latigay smiling right now. Alam niya na isahan niya tong Petron. No effort at all. Tinulak niya lang dun sa kamay nila De Los Santos and Cabalsa. Ganon rather.
And that's probably the first smile
Yes, all throughout the game.
we've seen from Luan
Nakaisa siya.
since the start. They could end it here. Latigay. Reyes was there. Masangkay to Dindin.
That one's
It's out.
outside.
Was it out?
Yes,
It's
it
out.
was.
It's out. And that's it. The PLDT Home Evolution Power Attackers will go to the semifinals, winning this in 4 sets after losing set number 1.
Well, that's ang maganda nga dito, Chiki. Kanina tinawag ni Carly na diesel team to. You have the Blazer and you have yung diesel. Pero ang maganda dito kasi they turned